guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you 3 fun things to do during quarantine. I know this is a very crazy time right now and most people are staying home. I am staying home and I have found 3 really great things to do to stay busy, and I really hope you guys enjoy. But first, if you're new to my channel, then hi, I'm Alina. Be sure to hit that red subscribe button and follow me on Instagram where I post exclusive slime videos. I'll be sure to leave a link down below. And without further ado, let's get started. Number 3, clean and organize your slime area. My slime area can be very messy and unorganized if I don't keep up on it, so first I'm going to clean off my desk. I'm just going to put things away that have been left out and also throw away some trash. When I organize my slime area, I like to put like things together. So I have all of my glue together, my store-bought slime together, my homemade slime together, and also my slime supplies. The next thing I'm going to do is take everything out and wipe out the inside of the shells because they can get pretty dusty. While you're doing this, it's a great time to purge and get rid of some old slimes that you don't play with anymore. So here's my slime area after it's all clean and organized. I now know what supplies I have and where I can find them when I need them. Number 2, make a slime texture you haven't made in a while. I haven't made a thick and glossy slime or a metallic slime in a very long time, so first I'm going to make the thick and glossy slime. So the first thing I'm going to do is pour half glue wall and half clear glue into the bowl. Next, to make the slime extra soft and glossy, I'm going to go ahead and mix in a few pumps of foaming facial cleanser. Next, I'm going to go ahead and mix in some lotion. And now, to give the slime that nice bright pink color, I'm going to mix in some pink food coloring. And now it's time to activate the slime. For my activator recipe, I use 1 cup of hot water and dissolve 1/2 teaspoon of borax. Make sure to add your activator slowly so you don't end up with a stiff slime. And now moving on to the metallic slime, the first thing I'm going to add is my desired amount of clear glue into the bowl. And now to make the slime super shiny and metallic, I'm going to mix in some blue pigment, and I'm also going to add some white glitter. And now it's time to activate the slime. Again, for my activator recipe, I use 1 cup of hot water and dissolve 1/2 teaspoon of borax. Make sure to add your activator slowly so you don't end up with a stiff slime. I am so happy with how both of these slimes turned out. They both turned out so nice. They're super nice and stretchy, they have great bubble pops, and they're a lot of fun to play with. Number 1, try out a new craft. I've been painting a lot lately and it's been so much fun. The other day we went to Walmart and they had a bunch of paints there for only 50 cents each, so I went ahead and picked up a few colors just to try it out for fun, and I've been really enjoying it. Whenever I need some inspiration to know what to paint, I really like scrolling through Pinterest because they have some really cute ideas. As soon as you find the one you like, then you can go ahead and start painting. That is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below what you have been doing to stay busy. And again, be sure to hit that red subscribe button and follow me on Instagram where I post exclusive slime videos. I hope you guys are having an amazing day and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!